Imagine a single exercise that could build muscle, melt fat, bulletproof your joints, and even make everyday life feel effortless. Sounds like a fitness myth, right? But it's not, it's the squat. Too many people think squats are only for leg day or hardcore lifters, but the truth is, squats are the foundation of functional fitness. Every time you sit down, stand up, climb stairs, or pick up a box, you're essentially squatting. Here's why this matters. When you master squats, you're not just training for the gym, you're training for life. They engage multiple muscle groups, skyrocket your metabolism, and protect you from injuries that hold people back as they age. Today, I'll break down exactly how squats reshape your body, step by step. By the end, you'll see why this one move can be the ultimate game changer in your fitness journey. Let's dive in. Number 1. Squats build muscle everywhere. When most people think of muscle building, they picture endless bench presses or curls. But here's the truth. If you want full-body muscle development, squats are your best friend. Why? Because they're a compound movement, meaning they recruit multiple muscle groups at once. Let's start with the lower body. Squats hit your quads, hamstrings, and glutes hard. These are the biggest muscles in your body, and when they get stronger, your whole body benefits. But squats don't stop there. They also engage your calves, lower back, and core. That means one simple move gives you a near total body workout. Even better, squats stimulate the release of growth hormone and testosterone, two critical factors for muscle growth and repair. So, not only are you working more muscles in one movement, but you're also signaling your body to build lean muscle more efficiently. For anyone who wants to see visible results, whether it's toned legs, stronger glutes, or an overall athletic physique, squats should be a non-negotiable part of your routine. Think of them as the cornerstone of strength training. Master them, and you'll notice improvements in your body composition, your power, and even how you carry yourself day to day. Number 2, squats burn fat and supercharge metabolism. Building muscle is only half the story. If your goal is fat loss, squats are one of the most efficient tools in your arsenal. Here's why. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat does. That means the more lean muscle you build, the more your body becomes a fat-burning machine even while you sleep. Squats, because they activate so many large muscle groups, create a massive calorie burn during the workout itself. But the real magic is what happens after. Your body experiences an afterburn effect, where your metabolism stays elevated for hours as it works to recover and rebuild those muscle fibers. Compare that to isolation exercises or steady-state cardio, and it's not even close. Squats torch calories in less time and deliver long-term metabolic benefits. Plus, because they're adaptable whether you do bodyweight squats, goblet squats, or heavy barbell squats, you can scale the intensity to keep challenging your body. So, if fat loss and a leaner physique are on your checklist, squats should sit right at the top. They don't just slim your waistline, they transform your entire body into a calorie-burning powerhouse. Number 3, squats improve mobility and prevent injuries. Mobility is the unsung hero of fitness. You can be strong, but if you move stiffly or feel pain in your joints, daily life becomes a struggle. Squats are one of the best natural remedies for this. When done correctly and consistently, squats train your hips, knees, and ankles through a full range of motion. This keeps the joints healthy, lubricated, and flexible. Imagine being able to bend, twist, and move without discomfort. That's the power of mobility. Squats also build resilience in the ligaments and tendons that support your joints. This means fewer sprains, strains, or tweaks during sports, workouts, or even daily activities like carrying groceries or lifting kids. And because squats strengthen stabilizer muscles, you gain more balance and control. Think of squats as an insurance policy for your body. They prepare you to move confidently, prevent the nagging aches that come with aging, and help you stay active for years to come. Whether you're an athlete looking to avoid setbacks or someone who just wants to move pain-free, squats are your ticket to long-term joint health and injury prevention. Number 4. Squats enhance core strength and athletic performance. Many people chase six-pack abs with endless crunches, but here's the secret. Squats are one of the most effective core exercises you can do. Each time you squat, your abs, obliques, and lower back work overtime to stabilize your spine and keep you upright. This dynamic engagement builds a stronger, more functional core than isolation movements ever could. A stronger core translates into better posture, reduced back pain, and improved performance in virtually every sport or workout. Squats also sharpen coordination and body awareness, teaching your muscles to fire in harmony. That skill carries over to exercises like lunges, deadlifts, or even sprinting. Athletes especially benefit from squats because they improve power, speed, and endurance. Jumping higher, running faster, lifting heavier, it all comes easier with a solid squat foundation. But here's the best part. You don't need to be an athlete to enjoy these benefits. Everyday movements like bending, lifting, or climbing stairs all feel smoother and more controlled when your core and lower body are strong. Bottom line, squats don't just build muscle. They make your entire body more powerful, coordinated, and athletic in everything you do. Number 5. Squats support joint health, flexibility, and back relief. Strong muscles are important, but so are healthy joints and a flexible body. Squats do both. By strengthening the muscles around your hips, knees, and ankles, squats take pressure off the joints and distribute loads evenly. This helps prevent wear and tear and lowers your risk of long-term issues like arthritis. Flexibility is another major perk. A full squat stretches your hips, calves, and ankles, improving your overall mobility. That flexibility pays off in everyday movements, whether it's crouching to tie your shoes or reaching for something on a low shelf. But here's something people often overlook. Squats can also relieve lower back tightness. Done with proper form, they help release tension in the spine and strengthen the muscles that protect it. That means less back pain and more freedom of movement. Even ankle mobility improves with consistent squatting, protecting you from common issues like sprains or plantar fasciitis. It's not just about fitness, it's about moving with ease and confidence at any age. Think of squats as your all-in-one joint care, flexibility builder, and back protector. Few exercises offer such a complete package for long-term health and pain-free living. Here's the takeaway. Squats aren't just an exercise, they're a blueprint for a stronger, healthier, more capable body. They build muscle, burn fat, boost mobility, protect your joints, and improve performance in ways few other movements can. Best of all, they're functional. They mimic the movements you already do every day standing, sitting, lifting, so the benefits go far beyond the gym. Now it's your turn. Start with just 2 to 3 sets of bodyweight squats daily. Focus on form, feet shoulder-width apart, chest tall, core engaged, heels planted. Progress gradually add reps, depth, or resistance, and watch how quickly your body responds. I challenge you to commit to 30 days of consistent squats. Pay attention to how much easier stairs, walks, and even household chores feel. This is more than exercise. It's investing in the freedom to move, live, and thrive. So, are you ready to squat your way to transformation? Let's get started today.